Hey everyone, this is a poem I wrote called Kathleen. I see you everywhere, in my dreams, in my chair. I can't get her out of my head, yet I don't want her to leave. Did you hear what I said? This is hard to believe. And when we talk, nothing else matters, 'cause the world stops, and all I see is her. She might think I only see her one time, but flashes keep coming to me in my mind. The smell of her hair, I smell in the halls. It drifts through the air, deeper and deeper I fall. What can this be? I don't know, but I feel free. I don't want to go. I talk to her. Is this real? I don't know what to think. I don't know what to feel. She soothes my pain. How can it be? There's no more rain. I can finally see. She doesn't need makeup. She's always there. She's beautiful enough. She wipes my tears. Yet I can't ask her one simple question. I can't tell her one little thing. I can't listen to my own suggestions. This one's for you, Kathleen.